Which home stereo system is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1. Philips Bluetooth Stereo System. Let's kick things off with the Philips Bluetooth Stereo System. This one caught my eye with its sleek design and powerful 80W output, priced at $199.99. If you want immersive audio that fills a room, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 80W RMS output, combined with upgraded two-way bookshelf speakers, means you'll experience deep bass and clear highs. You can enjoy everything from your favorite music to movie soundtracks, and the Bluetooth 5.4 tech makes it super easy to connect your devices. It even supports Auracast, so you can share music with others. With 1,400 reviews averaging 4.3 stars, many people are raving about it. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit bulky for smaller spaces. Here's the thing though, if you have a larger room or just want a powerful sound system, that extra size is actually a huge advantage. This is perfect for you if you love hosting parties or simply appreciate high-quality sound. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-compact. For the price, this system really packs a punch. Now, if the size of the Philips system is a concern for you, this next option offers a more compact footprint without sacrificing sound quality. Product number 2. Philips Micro Music System. Next up is another Philips option, the Micro Music System, priced at $139.99. This caught my attention for its retro design and great sound for its size. If you want a stylish, compact stereo system, this one deserves a look. With a max output of 18W, this system still delivers surprisingly clear audio. It allows you to stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth or play your favorite CDs and MP3s. Plus, you can preset up to 10 FM radio stations to easily switch between your favorites. 4,000 reviews with an average rating of 4.2 stars suggest many people are enjoying this little powerhouse. Some users mentioned that the sound can be a bit underwhelming for larger spaces. But here's my take. For a compact system in a small to medium room, it performs excellently. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish system that fits on a shelf without taking up much space. Skip this one if you need heavy bass or plan to use it in a large room. Given its price, it's a solid choice for everyday listening. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who crave a cinematic experience. Product number 3, Bobtot Home Theater System. Now let's talk about the Bobtot Home Theater System, priced at $269.99. This one really jumped out at me with its impressive 1,200 watts peak power. If you want surround sound that transforms your living room into a mini theater, this is definitely worth checking out. One of the standout features is its 5.1 channel surround system. This means you can enjoy immersive audio from multiple angles, perfect for movie nights. The 10-inch subwoofer packs a punch and delivers deep bass, making it great for music and action-packed movies. With a rating of 4.1 stars from 865 reviews, it's clear that users value its performance. However, some folks mention the setup process can be a bit complicated. But honestly, if you're someone who enjoys the cinematic experience at home, the effort is absolutely worth it for the quality you get. This is perfect for movie lovers who want a full surround sound experience. Skip this if you're looking for something simple and portable. For the price, it provides excellent value for a home theater system. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more versatile but still powerful, you'll definitely want to hear about the next option. Product number 4, Philips FX10 Stereo System. Next is the Philips FX10 Stereo System, also priced at $199.99. This caught my eye with its 230W output and sleek design. If you want a system that combines power and functionality, this should be on your radar. The dual amplifier feature ensures powerful bass without sacrificing clarity, making it perfect for music lovers. The Max Sound technology gives you an instant bass boost, so when you want to crank up the volume for a party, it's ready to go. With over 2,800 reviews, averaging 4.3 stars, many users are impressed with the performance. One downside mentioned is that it can be a bit tricky to connect with some devices. Here's my perspective. Once it's set up, the audio quality is worth a little extra effort. This is perfect for anyone wanting a powerful sound system for music and movies. Skip it if you want a simpler, more straightforward setup. For the features and sound quality, it offers great value for money. Alright, if robust sound and features are what you're after, the last option might just be the most budget-friendly yet. Product number 5. Lompo Compact Stereo System. Finally, let's look at the Lompo Compact Stereo System, priced at an affordable $85.98. This system is perfect if you're on a budget, but still want decent sound quality. If you want an entry-level system that won't break the bank, this is worth considering. With 30W output and high-quality stereo speakers, it's surprisingly good for casual listening. You can play CDs, stream via Bluetooth, or connect other devices through the AUX input. It has over 2,900 reviews with an average rating of 4.2 stars, indicating many are satisfied with its performance. However, some users noted that the sound can be less powerful than more expensive options. But honestly, for the price, it delivers solid audio without emptying your wallet. This is perfect for anyone looking for a simple audio solution or a gift for a loved one. Skip this if you need high-end features or audio quality. Given its low price, it's fantastic value for everyday use. So there you have it. From the powerful Philips Bluetooth stereo system to the budget-friendly Lompo Compact Stereo, each option has its strengths. Whether you're looking for immersive surround sound or a compact system for casual listening, there's something here for everyone.